Hello everyone. Welcome back to Excellent Care First. Today, we're continuing our discussion on precautions to take as we grow older. For more insightful healthcare content, make sure to click that subscribe button below. Let's dive in. 1. Foot deformities. Conditions such as bunions and hammer toes may become more prevalent with age. Podiatrists can provide guidance on footwear choices, orthotic devices, and in some cases, surgical interventions to manage and alleviate discomfort associated with these deformities. 2. Loss of fat padding. As people age, the natural fat padding on the soles of the feet diminishes, leading to increased pressure and discomfort. Podiatrists may recommend cushioned insoles and well-fitted shoes to provide support and reduce impact during daily activities. 3. Balance and stability issues. Reduced muscle strength and changes in balance can contribute to falls among the elderly. Podiatrists often collaborate with other healthcare professionals to address these issues, recommending exercises and footwear modifications to enhance stability. In conclusion, the feet play a crucial role in maintaining overall well-being, especially as we age. Regular visits to our Excellent Care First can help identify and address potential foot problems early, promoting comfort, mobility, and an active lifestyle for our elderly population. As we wrap up today's segment, stay tuned for the next video where we'll continue. Don't miss out on our clinic's exclusive offer, a 20% service discount valid until the middle of January. Home visit is also available for you. Visit us today. Please show your support by subscribing and following my updates.
Contact us today. Email address info@excellentcare1sd.co.uk. Telephone number 0740 423 8459. Website www.excellentcare1sd.co.uk.
Our clinic locations.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you the next video.